Quickly clean heavy traffic areas with the Global Industrial Auto Stand-on Floor Scrubber. Designed with sensitive spaces in mind, this unit delivers superior grime removal while maintaining a low 67 decibel noise level, making it an ideal solution for hospitals, hotels, schools, and more. With a 24-inch cleaning path, 30-inch squeegee assembly, and the ability to cover over 31,700 square feet per hour, this scrubber gets the job done fast. Its brush motor runs at 180 RPM, delivering 154 pounds of pad pressure for a deeper, more thorough clean. One charge gives you up to 4 hours of continuous runtime and includes an integrated battery charger with standard 3-prong wall plug. The large capacity 23-gallon solution tank and 26-gallon recovery tank minimize downtime. A 48-inch water lift, 500-watt vacuum motor, and optimized squeegee design ensures superior floor cleaning and fast dry times. Dual 12-inch scrubbing brushes are included and pre-installed. 2 additional pad drivers with red scrubbing pads are also included. Operator controls are ergonomic and intuitive, while Eco Mode technology helps reduce energy and water consumption. The speed dial allows operators to adjust acceleration while in motion for precise handling. A spacious standing platform features a full-width operator pressure pedal and a bright yellow accelerator pedal. Engineered for easy maneuverability, the 47.5-degree turning radius lets you clean tight areas with ease. The durable, corrosion, and impact-resistant housing makes this scrubber easy to maintain and built to last. Learn more about the Global Industrial Auto Stand-on Floor Scrubber online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial equipment and supplies.